Okay, so we have another naming question, only this time we have to give the IUPAC and the common name. So let's go ahead and see what we have. First of all, looks like just a plain old hydrocarbon. Oh, we've got that oxygen there. And when we have an oxygen between two carbons, we know that is an example of an ether. And ethers do have their common name as well as their IUPAC names in use. You'd probably even more frequently find the common name than the IUPAC name for the simple reason that the common name is easy, right? Nice and easy, actually. So if we look at the common name first, we would see that we have a 2-carbon group on the right-hand side, and a 1, 2, 3, 4-carbon group there on the left-hand side. So we're dealing with an ethyl group and a butyl group, and at least for the common naming, we name alphabetically. So even though the butyl group is larger, we'll name it first, because alphabetically butyl comes before ethyl. So butyl, ethyl, ether. And it's tough to see by the way I did it, but it's actually 3 separate words: butyl space ethyl space ether. Now if we want to use the IUPAC system, of course we have to look at the size of the alkoxy groups. The groups here are butyl groups and ethyl groups, and so we would name the smaller alkyl group first, and then we would name the longer alkyl group as part of the compound, just as an alkane. So what do I mean here? Well, in this case we have ethoxy, and because the oxygen here is on our first position of either group, actually, we'll name it as a 1, and then again the smaller group gets named with the oxy, so 1-ethoxy butane. Okay, so we're just using the treating it like it's a hydrocarbon, but of course having that oxy there as the ethoxy group allows us to know that we have an ether. So there you have it, common name and IUPAC name, both commonly used, both acceptable, although only the IUPAC is the official name for this compound. If you're having trouble with ethers, probably not the common so much as the IUPAC name, please do go ahead and practice a little more, and if it's still causing you difficulty, don't hesitate to get in touch.